Hey guys, it's Jessica at American 4WD. I just wanted to give a quick shop update. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, as we walk out into the shop, we've got this Jeep J20. It's getting a bunch of new work done to it, but we're actually waiting on an insurance claim for it. So it's going to be getting a bunch of work to it. We got Mr. Robert Cummins in the house. Yes. We're actually putting a brand new engine in this beast. Yes, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's going to be nice. Everybody's going to love it. Actually, right there. Look how gorgeous that is. Yes, girl. Work it, work it, work it, work it. We also got Pig, Sebastian's nice van here. Done all new suspension. We're actually putting a brand new engine in it as well. You come right over here. We did the unboxing earlier. So this is a LS engine. Look how beautiful. Yes, girl, work it. Also, everybody say hello to Mr. Matthew Spurgeon in the house. Whoop, whoop.
I am the tech for the day.
He is my technician for the day. He is also my sexy husband. Oh, yes. All right, we're going to go ahead and take you outside and show you what's going on out there. So, as we walk out here, we got Mr. Zitto's Jeep Wrangler sitting here. It's actually getting brand new heater coils, heater hoses, brand new axle seals, all that jazz. We got Fuentes's Jeep here. Beautiful. Yes, girl. Work it. You got my car, but not for long. But that's coming up. Shh. So we got a gear set going in the blue Jeep here. We've got a bunch of work going on with this one here as well. This one we're just waiting for having somebody to come pick up. The Comanche is having a bunch of work done to it. And then this one here is actually getting a DAG. All right, guys. So, the news that you've all been waiting for. Karen is being given to moi. Yes, me. I'm going to own Karen. Matt's getting something different, but that's going to be a different post to tell you about different later. So, while that's being said, Jessica, me, myself, yes, I'm going to be riding with these girls. I'm going to be out there. I'm going to be willing as well. So, girls, I want to see you get happy. I want to see you get loud, and I want to see you get proud because we're fixing to start off-roading as females, taking on the trails with the guys. Yes. So, my first two brand new mods that I've just now got, I got a brand new set of 35-inch BFG all-terrain tires. They are beautiful. They are working it. Yes, they are gorgeous. Look at that. Yes. And secondly, but not least, we have a brand new set of Warren wheels. Yes, they are gorgeous. They are beautiful. They are in. They are here. They are going on Karen. We have Mr. Houston's all-terrain tires as well, his method wheels and his flash cow, so that's going to be going on here pretty soon. Everything is rocking and rolling, rumbling and roaring. We look forward to seeing you guys. Give us a like, share, and a follow on our YouTube page. Come down here and see us. Everything is going good. See you soon.